Hello, let's talk about how to do a Google form. This is a sample request form I have already made up on Google Forms, and I'll just show you questions I ask, and then I'll walk you through how to make your own. If you've never done this before, this will be a quick, easy tutorial. It's super easy. Just stick with me. So you create a intro, and then you create different boxes that have questions. And here are some of my questions. I do have first and last name here because a lot of people before I specified were only giving me their first name. Like, who are you? Um, so just make it like as complete as possible. So I like to know what they need help with because that's what I'm always coming to serve. Like that's my intention within serving new people is helping them solve a problem, not selling them my Posh. I always come from a place of wanting to help people. So what problems do they need help solving? Also, what kind of scents do they like? I invite them to check out my products. My website, I do have a .com. If you don't have one, you put in your po.sh website if you want to do that, or you can link them to the catalog, which is catalog.po.sh. I would send them to your website though. And allergies, so I want to avoid sending them samples that have things they're allergic to. I invite them to join my Facebook group. And all of this. This is if they'd like a catalog with their samples. I might take this one out for the competition, however, because I want to send my samples directly from the website. So, I'm just gonna cut that out. Here's some questions, and this leads to hosting and joining conversations. And then finally, what's your mailing address, street, city, state, and zip code. If I used to just have what's your address and people would just send me their street name. Again, where do you live? I don't know. So, and then they submit that and I get it. Here's a tip on turning on, oh, I can't see it. How do you do that? I always forget. You need to turn on email notifications for when people fill out your form. Well, you don't need to, but I need to. Settings. It's really hard to find. Oh, responses. No. Shoot. Questions. I'll find it. Okay. Anyway, I want to show you how to make your own. I'll find it later. So you can go to forms.google.com. It changes it to this docs.google.com/forms and click on blank. And this is what it will look like when you do that. So it sets up this box for you to get started. So you just do a little quick hello, description, whatever you want in there. And then it starts off with a question, and it should start with multiple choice, but you just type in your question. If multiple choice is picked here, it's going to give you options to add your multiple choice options, or you can change it to check boxes. Check boxes versus multiple choice. Multiple choice lets them pick one option. Check boxes lets them check all of them off. If you want to give them options like I just said, what issues do you need help solving? And dry skin, eczema, oily skin, etc. And I gave them a space to type that in. If you want to give them options to choose and just check, you could do that as well. And if you just want to give them a space to type, you can do short answer or a paragraph. Give them just a short, simple area to type in, or give them more space. And then there's like advanced options here, which I don't even use. Let's see. So add a question, it adds another box, and you can just keep adding the boxes to type in your questions right there. Just click that plus sign. Title and description, you can add images, you can add a video if you want to, add a section. And then all your responses you'll get will go here. This is where you turn on the email notifications. Okay, so when you click on responses, click this 3 dot. They don't make this easy to find, but I need it so I know that people filled out the form. I'll forget to, you can go to the form in your Google form area on the internet and click responses and see who responded, but I forget to do that. So I like to get an email when someone fills out the form. So you click on the 3 dots here and just click get email notifications. I have a Gmail account, so this is all connected. If you don't have a Gmail account, you might need to set one up. I don't know how that works, sorry. Settings, and you don't really need to mess with that. And then if you want to change the color, like my other one was pink, you just go up here, customize theme color, you can drag it all around, pick a color, any color. You can add an image to the header, but I would just get this done. Don't mess with it too much. Done is fun. Don't let your perfection get in the way. A preview of what it looks like before you send it. And then to send it out, click send, click on this, like just get a link for it, I mean, click on this icon here, that's a link. I like to shorten it, and then you just copy it and you can paste it and send it to your customers so then they can share it with their network. So that's just a quick rundown on how to make a Google form. Let me know if you have any questions. All right, thanks. Bye.